Hello, today I'll be making pineapple upside down cake, and this is all the ingredients you'll need: pineapple, lemon juice, butter, brown sugar, and this is for the second part, all-purpose flour, sugar as well, coconut shredded coconut, buttermilk, 3 eggs, 3 large eggs, and oil, just normal oil, vanilla extract, a pinch of nutmeg, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Stay tuned. So we start with butter in the pan. Actually, the whole cake is going to be baked in the pan on top on the stove, and then we're going to be adding the sugar, brown sugar, when the sugar starts bubbling, just add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Turn off the heat, and then add the pineapples. And they will release their juices. So we turn the heat off, and then we placed the pineapple fruit in the pan, and we'll leave it cool down until we work the batter out. Stay tuned. So I'm adding the buttermilk, and then vegetable oil. I'm using coconut oil in this case. And then you can use vanilla. The eggs, 3 large eggs, and then you mix them all together. And then I added the flour, and then the sugar, and then the eggs, and then the vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, and then and at the end a little bit of nutmeg, and then we mix them all together. And this is the batter. Sorry guys, we lost the video of the last one. So after the batter is mixed nicely, we add the coconut flakes. Oops. So you have to be careful with adding the batter to the cake, because it's going to be, we have to keep it in place so it doesn't spread everywhere outside the pineapples. Oops. And we're going to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Stay tuned. So the upside down pineapple cake just came out of the oven. Just gonna wait for it to cool down so we can turn it. Stay tuned. Hello. This is the end result of the upside down pineapple cake. I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit!